Determine Zbus using bus building algorithm by adding the lines as per the increasing element number. The reactance diagram of the system is shown in the figure below. Okay, this is the reactance diagram they have shown in the figure. Okay, so first, say for example, 3 nodes are there, 1 reference node is there. Okay, from 1 to reference node element is 1.0 J, 1 to 2 J into 25 J into 0.25 J, 2 to 3 J into 0.05 J. Next 2 to reference J into 1.25. Like that you are taking. Okay. So first, what is the step number 1? Add an element between the reference and the node 1. So this is the reference and this is the node 1. Okay, you are adding the one element. Okay, one element means here, first element you are adding. So one element means what? First element, that is this element only will come. Okay, so 1 cross 1 matrix will come. Z bus is equal to 1 cross 1 matrix will come J into 1.0. Okay, so like that here. Next, what is the next step? Next step is add an element between the existing node 1 and the node 2. Okay, existing node 1 and node 2. So what is the next element from the problem? Yeah, this particular element. Okay, this particular element, that is J into J. You start with the left to right. Okay, so that is best. Always you start with your left to right. Okay, so some countries they are following the method of right to left also. No issues if you solve that also correct. But always the thing is that general formulation by the algorithm, if you follow from left to right, then the answer is very accurate. Okay, accurate. Okay, so always I think in the electrical circuit analysis also while solving, always you to right only. Okay, left to right. So you will not start. Okay, so the same method you can follow here. So now new element is added, that is J into 0.5. So what I said before, how to add now, easily you can add like this. Okay, easily you can add like this. So whatever the element here, the same element you need to copy here, the same element you need to copy here. Okay, rows and columns also. Okay, so next, so here how to calculate this particular element, J into 1.0 plus that new element. J into 0.25. So if you add, you will get a 1.25. So this is the matrix for Zbus matrix for the second element. Okay. Next, again the same thing. Again, add an element between the existing node 2 and the reference. Add an element between the existing node 2 and the reference. The same thing. Again, same story come into the picture. So here, whatever the element is there, okay, so whatever the element is there, the same thing you need to copy here. Okay, and here also the same thing you need to here also the same thing you need to copy. Here also same thing you need to copy. So here already J into 1.25 is there. The same thing you need to copy here. Here also like L. Okay, like L you need to do. Okay, this also you need to do this also. And here also same thing you need to copy. Okay, so what is this element now? Already one value is there now. That element or this element. Okay, because 2 cross 2 matrix is there. This element plus a new node, whatever the new node added here. This is the 1.25 is the new node added. So this plus this is you'll get J into 2.5. Okay, so now you got 3 cross 3 matrix. So 3 cross 3 matrix you need to reduce. How to reduce? How to reduce? So how to reduce in the sense, as I said, first two elements, first two cross 2 you need to take out. Okay, 2 cross 2 you need to take out. That is 1J. Here also 1J. Here also 1J. Here also 1.25 J. Here also 1.25 J. So that you need to take out. Minus 1 divided by whatever the value here. Okay. So whatever the value here. as I said now before, j into 2.5. Okay, so into this particular elements, this particular matrix. Okay, this particular column matrix, that is 1j. Here also 1.25 G, 1.25 G. Okay, into this particular, okay, row matrix. Okay, this 1j into 1.25 J. That's all. Very simple. Okay, so if you solve this, you can get the answer. Okay, if not, sir, this method is very convenient for me. You happily follow this. Okay, and you get the answer. Okay, so but shortcut method is this one only. So you'll get the matrix. What matrix you'll get? Yeah, the same matrix. Okay, so the same matrix you'll get as a answer. Okay, so this is the reduced 2 cross 2 matrix. Now, again, one more element is there. Add an element between the existing node 2 and the new node 3. Existing node 2 and the new node 3. So this node now we are adding this node. Okay, now we are adding this particular node, that is existing 0. Okay, so the same story. Okay, whatever the value here. Okay, so for example, here, say for example, here, there it is. Yeah, 0.6, 0.5, 0.5, 0.625. Okay, so here what you have to do? Yeah, this value. So whatever this value you need to copy here, whatever this value you need to copy, this value is the same. Here, whatever this value you need to copy here. Okay, these two values you need to copy, these two values you need to copy here. Okay, so that you need to do. Okay, so you will get, so this particular thing. So whatever the answer coming over here, that is you need to take here. Okay, so that is this particular element you need to take over here, plus that new node. Okay, 0.05. Okay, so if you simplify this, if you simplify this, the same thing will come. Okay, the same thing will j into 0.675. So this is the answer for that particular problem. This is the final answer for the problem that is given above. Okay, this is the answer for this particular problem. Okay, very simple problem. It is a 5-mark question or 10-mark question, depends on your grade. Okay, if you are studying UG, then it might be 5-mark question or 8-mark question, like that. Sometimes 10-mark also. Okay, so like that, so very simple. I think hardly it will take 10 minutes to solve this problem. Hardly. Okay, more than 10 minutes, I think. Okay, maximum if you are doing some slow calculation might be maximum 15 minutes. 15 minutes easily you can solve and you can get the